Hello everyone, this is Ikhlaq Khan. Today in this video what we are going to discuss is interest on partners drawing. We were discussing some special aspects of partners capital account. Under special aspects of the partners capital account, this is the new topic that we are going to cover today, is interest on partners drawing. This is very important topic because later on when we will be solving the big question, at that time there will be such questions to calculate interest on partners drawing. Now before going to calculate interest on partners drawing, before going for practicals, let us first see the basic meaning. What is drawing means? Drawing means the amount withdrawn in cash or in kind by partner for their personal use. Whenever any partner withdraw any drawing for their personal use is known as the amount he withdraw is known as drawings, that we have discussed in class 11 basic concept accounting. Now drawings can be of two types. There can be two types of drawing. One can be drawing against capital and one more can be there drawing against profit. Drawing against capital and drawing against profit. When there is a drawing against capital, it reduces capital, but when there is a drawing against profit, it does not reduce the capital. So first let us see what is drawing against capital. Whenever there is a drawing means the withdrawal of money, cash or kind for personal use, whenever a partner is taking out money from his capital, then it is known as drawing against capital. For example, over here, suppose in 1st April 2019, the balance of capital, this is capital balance. So capital balance is 8 lakh. Later on the drawing amount is 3 lakh. He withdraw rupees 3 lakh on 1st October 2009. This is drawing against capital. If it is clearly mentioned that the amount 3 lakh is drawing against capital, then only it will be considered that this is the amount against capital, and that's why now the remaining capital will be 5 lakh. So this is drawing against capital. The thing in this drawing against in capital is that whenever there is a drawing against capital, there will be no interest paid on drawing. Only when we calculate interest on capital that will be affected, but interest on drawing will not be affected, because drawing any amount withdrawn against capital, there will be no interest charge on this drawing, as we have seen over here 3 lakh. But what it will affect? It will affect the calculation of interest on capital. For example, the beginning capital was 8 lakh. He take out 3 lakh in 1st October, then what will be his interest on capital when, if say 10% is the rate. So 8 lakh was the beginning amount, 10 upon 100 is the rate, and use up to 1st October means 1st April to 1st October 6 months, so 6 by 12. So total interest on drawing is 4,000 up to 1st of October. Then from 1st October to 2019 1st October he withdraw 3 lakh. So what is the left amount? Now the left amount is 5 lakh. Now the interest on capital will be calculated on 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 10 upon 100 into 6 by 12, because from 1st October to 31st March it is again 6 months. Now the interest on capital is 2,500. So total interest on capital is 6,500. So I hope the concept of drawing against capital is clear. We will see the drawing against capital and difference with profit also. Let us move to second, that is drawing against profit. Whenever a partner draw amount against his or her share of expected profit, he take out money from his share of expected profit, the firm charges interest on such drawing at an agreed rate of interest. So this is known as drawing against profit. Whenever there is a partner who take out money from his expected profit, if he is taking money from his expected profit, then their firm will charge an interest on such a drawing which at a agreed rate. If the partnership deed is silent, then there will be no interest on drawing will be charged. Interest on drawing is a gain for firm, but it is a loss for the partner. Now let us, for the better understanding, let us see the difference between both of them. The difference between the drawing against profit and drawing against capital. So first is the basis where debited, because both are different where it is debited. Drawing against profit, it is debited to drawings account, whereas drawing against capital will be debited to capital account. So it is clear, drawing against capital debited to capital account of partner, whereas if it is drawing against profit, it is debited again in drawings account. Next part, so this amount is the part of profit, this amount is the part of capital. Next, effect. What it effect? It does not reduce capital. Why it does not reduce capital? Because it is the part from expected profit, and it reduce capital because it is taken out from the capital, direct related. Then interest on drawing, it is considered for calculating interest on drawing, because whatever interest on drawing we have, if there is a drawing against profit, then there will be charge, in interest will be charged, and if there is a drawing against profit, so this drawing will be basis for calculation interest on drawing. But if there is a drawing against capital, then against capital it is not considered for calculating interest on drawing, because there is no drawing charge if it is against capital. That's why it is not based for calculating drawing. Next is the interest on capital. Now if drawing is against profit, it is not considered for calculating interest on capital. It will not affect the capital. Capital will be fixed. For the same example where we have taken, suppose 8 lakh is the amount of capital in the beginning, and if there is a drawing of 80,000 against profit, if drawing is against profit, so it will not affect the capital. The interest on capital will be on full 8 lakh, because this is the drawing against profit, not against capital. So what will be the charge? The charge will be interest on drawing, which will be charged on this 80,000. Okay. And if suppose over here it is considered for calculating interest on capital, as I told you, if 8 lakh is the beginning capital, there is a drawing of 3 lakh which is against capital. Drawing is against capital. If there is a drawing against capital, then it will not be calculated on interest on drawing, but interest on capital. Hope the concept and the difference between drawing against profit and drawing against capital is clear to you. For your basic understanding, you are supposed to know that whenever there is a drawing against capital, it will reduce capital and only the interest on capital rate will be affected. There will be no charge as a interest on drawing. But whenever there is a drawing against profit, then it will not affect interest on capital. It will be same, but it will be a base for charging interest on drawing, and that will be charged. Hope this concept is clear. Moving forward, let us see the practical portion. Calculation of interest on drawing. In a firm, whenever there is an amount withdrawn, so we are supposed to calculate the interest on drawing. So drawings can be of two types. It can be irregular drawing, it can be regular drawing. What is an irregular drawing? Same or different amount at irregular interval. Same or different amount at irregular interval will be known as irregular drawing. It is irregular means sometime 1st of October 2000, then 1st of February 8,000, then 31st of March 3,000. There is no such regular or same amount and no such interval. There is a second type of drawing, is regular drawing, means drawing of same amount at regular interval. Say 5, for example, what we can take 5,000 at beginning of each month. 5,000 in beginning of each month means this is a regular drawing. Okay, so drawings are two types, irregular and regular. In case of irregular drawings, there is method to calculate. One is product method, under product and simple method. Product and simple method. Under product and simple method, there are two methods. First is simple method and second in product method. So drawing of irregular drawing, there are two methods, simple methods and product method. What we will do in simple method? Drawing is calculated for the period of the amount drawn in, and interest is calculated with the reference of each drawing, as it is an irregular drawing. Say for example, what we can take example over here, 5,000 on 1st October, 8,000 on 31st December. So in this way it is irregular amount. So drawing will be calculated separately, for 5,000 separately, for 8,000 separately. This is simple method. We will see practical also. Second is product method. Under product method, what happened under this method? This is little extension of simple method only. Under this method, the amount of drawing is multiplied with the number of months for or days as the case may be. Suppose if a partner has withdrawn 5,000 for 1st October, means this amount is used by him from 1st October to 31st of March. So number of month will be like this only, 6 months. If he has withdrawn 8,000 on 31st December, then December is over, he used this 8,000 for January, February and March, means for 3 months. So in product method, what we will do over here, 5,000 into 6 because this 5,000 is used for 6 months, and 8,000 into 3 because this is used for 3 months, and the multiplication and the total of this will be product. While we will doing the practical, then it will be more clear to you. Then obtain, the product is so obtained is total, as I told you, this will be total. Like over here 30,000 and 24,000, this will be total, and interest is calculated thereon. Interest will be calculated on this total amount for 1 month, or for the if it is taken for period, and for the days if it is taken for days. Let us move towards formula. What is the formula under this? The formula of interest on drawing is product, total of product. This is the formula for product method. In case of simple method, only the amount will be there. For product method, total of product into rate of interest upon 100 into 1 by 12 if it is for month, or 1 by 365 if it is for days. I think formula is clear to you. Total of product into rate of interest of drawing upon 100 into 1 by 12 if it is for month, or 1 by 365 it is for days. Let us move to example. There is one example in your book, one illustration. The illustration is at present on your screen. You can take out the screenshot also. If you have books, you can go through books also. The question is on from the illustrations only. Interest on calculation of interest on drawing. Let us move to question. First, let us solve this question by simple method. In this question, what is there? There are one thing that a particular partner has withdrawn an amount. On 1st May, he took 2,000. 1st August 2018, 5,000. 13 September 2000, 31st January 2019, 6,000, and 31st March 2019, 2,000. This is the amount. This is the first drawing, second, third, fourth, and fifth. 5 drawings at different dates of different amount. While doing with simple method, as I told you, what we will be doing, what we will calculate, this is the formula. Drawing into rate upon 100 upon month upon 12. This is the formula for this. Over here, and what you need to make this way. After seeing the question, for making its proper solution, what we can do: first column for date, second column for amount withdrawn, third column for number of month up to end of the year, that is 31st March 2019 over here. From 1st May to 31st March 2019, how many months are there? 11th month. Means 2,000 he has taken out on 1st May. So he will use this for May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. So for 11 month he will use this 2,000. So he will give interest on this 2,000 for 11 month. On 1st August he took 5,000. Then he used this 5,000 for August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So in this way he used for 8 months. Then 30 September 2 months, 31st January 6 months, 31st March for this is no, okay. So when he has taken on 31st March, means at the end of the financial year, means he is not using for any month because it is on 31st March. If it would have been 1st March, then it will be number of month 1. So over here calculating, let us see how to calculate the interest on drawing into rate upon 100 into month. I have calculated 1. Suppose say for 1st of August the amount was 5,000, so 5,000 into rate of interest is given in question is at the rate of 15%. So 15 by 100 into month. Number of month used this drawing is 8 month, 8 by 12. Hope the concept is clear. Let us take what is the amount. The amount will be, for this will be 500. Over here this will be deducted. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So this will be 500. Hope the concept is clear to you. In the same way you can calculate for others also. Let us take some other example. Let us take for this one 31st January 2019. How much he has withdrawn? 6,000. Then amount is 6,000. Number of month used, January over, 31st January, January is over. So February used and March, only 2 months, February and March. So interest rate is 15 by 100 which is given, and month used 2 by 12. 6,000, 15 by 100 into 2 by 12. So what will be the amount? The amount will be 150. Hope the calculation of interest on drawing by simple method is clear to you. Okay, this is it for the simple method. Let us take quickly a product method also. In case of product method, the same question, what you will do, make date column, amount column, month use, these are same as the in case of simple method. Only one additional column in product method that you need to make is one more column of total product. And what will the total product? Amount of drawing into month. For example, over here the amount of drawing was 2000 and the month use 11, so 11 into 2, what is the total amount? 22. 1st August 5000 used up to, and this how we are getting this month? How we are getting this month is from the period from the date of drawing to the 31st of March, because the financial year. Say for example this one, you have to keep in mind that our financial year when it closes, the financial year it completed on 31st March. Every year financial year is from 1st April to 31st March. So if the drawing is on 1st May, so May, full May it is used, so May to 31st March 11th month, 1st August to 31st March 8th month, 30 September means September is over. Now October to 31st March 6th month, 31st January means January is over. Then from February and March 2 months, 31st March. Now 31st March means there is no month, so that's why it will be 0. The total amount, though amount is 2000, but interest will be 0 because the month is 0. There is not used for a single month. So this amount multiplied with month, 2000 into 11, 5000 into 8000, 2000 into 6, 6000 into 2, 2000 into 0. So this is 22, 40,000, 12,000, 12,000. The total of this 86,000. We have to take this total. The total 86,000. I have told you formula also. What was the formula? Under product method, interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12 for month, because we are calculating in month. So total product is 86,000. 86,000 into rate is 15% upon 100 into month 1 by 12. This is constant. 1 by 12. This is constant. It is constant in product method. In simple method only we are taking month, 3 month, 4 month. Why? Because we are not taking product, but we are taking over here product. That's why no need to take month. Only 1 by 12. So interest on drawing is 1075. Hope the concept of interest on drawing by simple method and product method is clear to you. By the next video, what we will do is the calculation of interest on drawing for regular drawing. We will check this. Till this time, this is it. Hope the concepts are clear to you. If you have any such confusion, please let me know through your comments. Thank you very much. Have a very nice day ahead.